y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take down this month-old hairstyle, or either I'm just going to redo a couple of these braids and fake it till I make it. I'm going out of town this weekend and I don't have time to do my hair tomorrow because I have to work and I'm leaving at 6 o'clock Saturday morning. So I gotta figure out something to do with this hair. So y'all come along and let's see what we can figure out what to do with this hair. And if you watch my last video, I just got done 2 hours ago making the chicken and dumpling. And so now I'm here doing my hair. Y'all pray for me, okay? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I finished taking down the back of my hair. And so I guess I'll just start with the back for tonight since, did I go off camera? I probably did. Let me just put the spin around again. So y'all that I finished taking down the back. So I think I'm just going to start right there with the back of my hair. So I finally finished taking down my hair. I done washed it, greased my scalp, blow dried it. So now those braids that I took down, I'm finna put them jokers right back up. So I don't put on my hair clothes and took off my night clothes because I said I was cooking before. So here we are. Don't parted my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these braids up. But before I do, hold on a minute. Let me show y'all my braiding stand made by none other than Miss Stephanie. I don't have the regular braiding stand. So hold on. Let me move this mirror out the way. Okay. So for those of you who don't have a braiding stand, me personally, I can't use them because the hair be too close together and I don't tried it and I had to just throw that joker out. So this is my braiding stand. Y'all see it? Y'all see my braiding stand right there? Don't worry. I'm gonna give y'all a good view of it. Let me get out the picture. Let me show y'all my braiding stand. And it holds a lot of hair. A lot of hair on there. So let me go ahead and get started on my hair. But yeah, that's my braiding stand. Y'all, I just finished with the back of my hair. So I'm gonna keep it going and load my little braiding stand over there. Y'all see where I'm pointing? My braiding stand right here. Put some more hair on there. And this is the hair that I'm using. It's 1B350. And so the front, I'm going to add in some curly pieces. I didn't want none in the back because sometimes I think with the curly pieces, it looks a little bit overboardish and I don't want to go overboard with it. So I'm just going to add that to the front of my hair. So let's keep it moving. So I just have the 4 on this side and this one right here. And I think it's like 3 o'clock. So I'll be getting ready for work and have to come back and finish the rest of it after work. At least I got most of it done. Whoa! 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 Hallelujah. We done made it to this last one, y'all. This last one. Y'all get this last view of this braiding machine that I don't invented. And don't be trying to copy because I already got a patent lawyer. So yes, we are at this last one. So I will show y'all the final hairstyle tomorrow. I am ready to get in the tub because y'all know I just got off of work. I just ate. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. So I will show y'all the final look on tomorrow. I realized that I hadn't showed y'all how I put my beads on. So I'm going to show you guys this piece of nothing at all. Get rid of that. Throw that away. That ain't nothing. Just throw it away. Old school people, this is how we put our beads on. We get a piece of thread, yarn. I get yarn because yarn is heavy and it won't break. And you tie a little bead on the bottom of it. Just that little bead, just tie it. Tie it in a knot 9, 10 times, whatever, so that it won't come off. Because that is what's gonna hold your beads. I see a lot of people using that thing that I just threw. And so if your end is not skinny like this here, then get a piece of tinfoil. Make it look like a needle. That's all you gotta do. So you just gonna take your beads. See what I just did? You're gonna take your beads like this here and just slide them on there. So I'm not gonna do it in any order. I'm just gonna throw them on there. I'm not gonna put them in the order that I put my beads on. So just gonna put your beads on here. Now you see the thing at the bottom is holding it. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. So that's enough beads on there. So I'm gonna take a piece of this curly hair and show you. Otherwise, I will have to take it off my braids, and I'm not doing that. Okay, so you gonna just grab your hair. Just grab the braid. Just say this is the braid, and you just gonna put them beads all the way down. And go like that. See? The beads on there and like that. On this, and here go the hair. So you're gonna hold that piece of hair. Now you can let that hair go. And you're gonna push up. And see, you can put a lot of beads on this here. You can't put, what is that, one bead at a time? Who got that kind of time? So use the yarn, the thread, the string, whatever you want to call it. And then there you go. Don't use that little thing. So I didn't show you guys that part. So I just wanted to show y'all how I put my beads on.